Welcome to the ALTBAE channel. I want to discuss altcoins with you before anyone else. I have an exciting meme coin project to talk about, which has been absolutely taking off, but I still think there's opportunity uh, to potentially make money in this, but it is still highly speculative. So none of it is financial advice. Do your further research, but let me show you the project now. So this is tape. So fix it, flip it, freedom. So this is supposed to be the tape that's going to be holding your portfolio together. And boy, oh boy, has the market been very, very tough for a lot of people. It's very difficult to make money. So let's repair it with this tape. So the contract address is on screen. I'm going to put this in the description below. And of course, Patrons will know about this sooner. And I'm going to come to the chart in a moment. But what's more important is to see the tokenomics. So it's 5% of it's marketing for more memes, 5% liquidity, 5% tape fund for emergencies. Not quite sure what that is, but emergency is emergency. Maybe that might be to support the level of trading. It's all very good to have it at a nice support level. 85% community for the people, by the people. So why tape? Because we're broke, not stupid. No venture capital backing, just taping big balls. Because one tape away from financial freedom. Buy tape, fix it, flip it, freedom. So really, really simple idea. And that's the thing about memes. The simpler the idea, the better, or the more like out of the ordinary, the better. If you had to explain the meme too much, then it kind of loses the appeal. So a community sticks together through hilarious meme lore and pure degen determination. We ought to take the whole DeFi together. So it's got some memes here. I mean, like, yeah. So we'll trade Lambo for tape. Duct tape it fixes everything. Broken phone, tape it. When shit breaks, tape it. Okay, am I going to get demonetized for that? Good job. Oh, this I forgot to say this video is sponsored by the tape team itself. So it's good to see that they are reaching out to influencers of all different sizes, because this appeals to absolutely everybody. I don't care how rich you are, you have a roll of tape in your house right now. Maybe after this video you can have a look for it. So there's no problem when you have duct tape. So let me go to the chart now. Oh yeah, and there's a if you don't have a bra, you can just you can just tape one up. So the chart here has been absolutely exploding. I knew about this really, really early on in June, but I had no idea it was going to take off so long. I didn't really put too much money in, and that's just me. Whenever you buy anything with crypto, only put in what you can afford to lose. But there are people here who are buying in hundreds of dollars already, like now, like 40 minutes, while it's at a 287K cap. And there's a lot of holders here who have still got thousands and thousands and thousands in there. And you don't have to put in thousands. And personally, I wouldn't put in thousands now. But if you've got more to play with, that's really up to you. It's not up to me to tell you when to buy, when to sell. I just think there still is an opportunity here. I wouldn't take this as a sponsored video if I didn't think there's going to be more potential now. Of course, everything can go to zero, but you still got healthy buyers here putting in like $50, a few $100s here. So it kind of really took off over the last kind of few days here. Like you got the week here, so 16,000. But if you the time of recording this video, it's just gone past midnight. So it's the 14th now. But if you just look at the 13th to it's like the past 2-3 days now. So 46K is done like a 5 or 6x. I think this could do another 5x over the coming month. People will be taking profits, of course, but I think that the chart is still healthy. So I think a 5x is possible here. So I think there's just over 1 million market cap over the month. But the rate this is going, I might be eating my words. It might even continue to take off sooner than that. So the past few days, let's see what happens over the next week. So typically, I would be posting the video about a week after I've sent it to my paid Patreon. So the link is in the description below on YouTube. But as this is a sponsored video, this is going to actually go up a lot sooner than that. So just want to get your attention to this as quick as possible before even more influencers come into this, because I would imagine that the development team will be taking profits and, just like as it says on the tokenomics, is to kind of reinvest that to get maybe like bigger influencers involved. And let's just see how high this would ride, because you know I think there's a lot of strength in this. What do you think about this meme coin? I think it's a really, really simple idea, and I will just think that the best ones is just easy to have that word of mouth. Like when you buy into it, do you make sure you interact with others in your community, online and offline, and you can do this by following the X account. So it's Tape on Solana. There is a Telegram group, so maybe you can ask questions and just keep up to date with the team and just find out what their plans are. So I've got a pinned comment here. It says, "We need your help. Retweet the movement, join the community, tag your fellow Degens." So I think if you do decide to buy into any coin, but like in this example, the official Tape coin, is whenever you see a post, give it a like, give it a retweet, give it a comment, because the more engagement it sees, it's going to have more eyes on it. If you're in any other crypto groups, if you follow any live streams, just what we have to do is just put the ticker tape. So just put like a dollar sign and tape, or just put tape, tape, tape. Like yeah, as you see here on the banner here, dollar tape. So this is going to be the ticker. And yeah, just share it with the communities that you're in, and try to approach different people of like crypto influencers of different sizes, because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be talking about it to other people in my group, and I just want to share it. Why is that a 283 cap? Um, let's see if I do an update video. I do like to do update videos now and then, but I think this is one I will keep an eye on and update you on the price, and I will cover exciting projects like this. So do subscribe and leave a like on the video, and I will see you soon.